Guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to clean your Snorple Anti Snoring device. Today's video is done in collaboration with Snorple.com, and I'll be showing you guys two different ways to clean your anti-snoring mouthpiece. So the first way is going to be with a mild detergent and water, and the second way will be with denture tablets that you can pick up at any local drugstore near you. The great thing about Snorple is that it works and it's reusable. So with proper care, you'll be able to keep your Snorple for a very long time. I love the fact that the Snorple only has 3 pieces and they all come apart, making it very, very easy to clean and make sure everything is fresh and there is no buildup in the crevices or anything like that of the device. So let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial.
When I clean my Snorple, I like to remove all of the pieces from each other because that way I'm able to scrub and get into all the nooks and crannies of the device so that I can ensure that it is as clean as possible. Now for the first method, I'm going to use soap and water with a toothbrush. I'm just going to use a pea-sized amount of dish detergent, and then I'm going to use my toothbrush to scrub the entire device. And I just do this piece by piece. I make sure that I get into all of the grooves and the nooks and crannies of the device. I also make sure I get into the holes on the bottom of the device as well, because remember, the Snorple does have 15 different adjustment combinations. So with that, you want to make sure that you are scrubbing those little holes as well, just so you make sure that everything is clean. As you can see, it's very quick and simple. And then I'm going to move on to the bottom mouthpiece, and then I'll do the same for the tongue bumper as well. The second method I like to use is the Denture Cleansers. So these are just little denture cleaning tablets that you put into warm water, warm, not hot, and then you'll put your Snorple into the water, and this helps to clean it. I find that this is a very deep clean for it, and you can pick these up at any local drugstore. A lot of the big box retailers have these denture cleaning tablets, and they're very affordable, and you usually get a ton in the box. So I'm just going to take my warm water, and then I'm going to open up one of these little denture cleanser tablets and just drop it into the water. This one turns green. While it's doing that, I'm just going to drop the Snorple into the water. And like I said earlier, I do recommend disconnecting the pieces from each other just so that it's able to clean as good as possible. Next, I'm going to take my toothbrush and just kind of agitate whatever's left. And this has been sitting for 3 minutes, mind you. And now I'm just going to take the remaining residue in the water, and I'm just going to use my toothbrush to brush around the Snorple. And I'll do this the top and the bottom for both pieces and the tongue bumper. Lastly, I'm just going to pour that water out and then thoroughly rinse all 3 pieces. And this is going to ensure that you remove any of the residue from the denture cleanser. I do that really good on all 3 pieces. And then I just open my Snorple storing case, and I like to just leave it open and out on the counter so it can dry. And I just put the Snorple pieces inside of it and just leave it there.
So there you have it, you guys. 2 simple ways to clean your Snorple Anti Snoring Mouthpiece. I am going to definitely leave the link down below for snorple.com. If you have not picked up a Snorple and you have someone in your life or you yourself snore, you definitely are going to want to head over to their website and use my discount code sheilafree for free shipping at checkout. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.